Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since my last video, quite a few months actually. You know, sometimes you gotta take a break even from what you love doing. Not only I haven't shot videos in these past months, but I haven't shot photos either. But that's good. Sometimes you just gotta decompress and just do some other stuff instead. Pretty cool sunset over there on the horizon. It starts to form right now. For the past couple of days I've seen these clouds on the sky, so that's why I came out in my neighborhood kind of to try to get some cool photos of the sunset with the beautiful clouds on the sky there. So that's what I'm going to do today. I came with my bike a couple of times on this trail, and further down towards there's this place where there's like tree trunks in the water. So I want to reach that spot in time for the sunset because I want to photograph those, hopefully with a longer exposure. It's a tricky one because I don't have my tripod with me. It's in my other car, so I'm just gonna have to improvise a tripod out of my bag, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. If not, I'll just shoot like normal exposures, normal shutter speeds, 100th of a second, 80th of a second. It's still gonna be good, but I definitely want to reach that spot to see where I can place my camera and what kind of angles and frames I can collect. I still have about half an hour until it's sunset, until the sun touches the horizon. And what's cool about this area is that there's not a lot of people. As you can see, everything is empty here. It's close to where I live, and I shot another vlog in this area, kind of about there. I'm gonna link it up here so you can see it. And I thought I'm gonna check out this area now for photos. I have some mountains in the distance over there, so hopefully I'm gonna have some clouds on that side that is gonna catch the sunset light, and I'm gonna get some beautiful colors, reds, oranges, yellows, and pinks and magentas, and you name it. I want to get a photo with this path in front of me and this greenery being lit up from the side by the sun. I think it's going to be a good frame. This river on my right over here is the Fraser River. Actually, it's an arm of the Fraser River that flows into the Pacific Ocean over there, just in front of me. It's very close. That's where it dumps into the ocean. So it's pretty cool that I get to be so close to where the river meets the ocean here. Very, very nice. And then we have a couple more arms to the north over there. That's the North Shore Mountains. You can see a little bit of Burnaby, I think. That's Metro Town over there. Actually, that's Vancouver there. There's that new mall that they're building, Oak Ridge Mall. I can see the shape of the building. It's like a funnel, like an upside down funnel. You can see the piers in the water. Those tree trunks that I mentioned. I think you can see them through this wide angle. The sun is getting lower, and I think we're gonna have a very beautiful sunset. Scattered clouds. That means maybe we can get some light rays, which would be so cool. There's a bunny right in front of me, a couple of rabbits. Check this out. So these are my poles. I reached my poles. I'm gonna go on the other side of the street because there's a bunch more over there. But pretty cool here. I like it. Very quiet. Right, here we are. I need to get down there and get as close as possible to those guys. So let's see how we're gonna do this. I think I found my spot on this here log. Look at this view, isn't it nice? Ain't it nice? Beauty! I'm gonna set up camp over here, and look, I found my tripod. I have a tripod there. How cool is that? I can't go too far away because there's water over there. I checked it and I stepped in water. So I'm gonna have to shoot from here. I do have my zoom lens with me, so that's gonna be good and helpful. I like when the sun does that. You see how it goes behind the cloud over there, and there's a gap at the bottom of the cloud there, just before it reaches the horizon. It's just perfect. We're gonna have some, I hope we're gonna have some nice light rays. We're definitely going to have some nice colors on the sky and some nice colors in the clouds. I switched to my telephoto zoom lens over here, the 70-300 Nikkor, on a crop sensor body. It's not a full frame. And look at that, so beautiful. So beautiful. I just love how you can see the light painting the clouds. Just amazing. And I think these little poles are going to be so nicely placed in the frame. Those clouds on the left, on that side a little bit, on my left there, you see how they're starting to catch that pink color? That's what we're looking for at sunset photos. Landscape photography, always try to go out and shoot either at sunrise or at sunset, but even better if you have some scattered clouds like this on the sky, that's what makes the photo just gorgeous. Of course, that in contrast with the beautiful scenery. But even if you don't have a gorgeous scenery, if the sky puts on a show like this, just shoot for the sky. That means just frame the sky like 2/3 of your frame and 1/3 leave it for the ground, and then you'll have a beautiful, beautiful photo. Pretty cool. Look at that sun. Just gorgeous. Now it's going under. That's your little sunset right there. I just love these colors. And now it's getting brighter and brighter, believe it or not. It wasn't that bright before, but now that it comes out from underneath that cloud, it's even more powerful. Like, it literally blinds me. I feel the need of having sunglasses on. But I'm not gonna do that, obviously. Awesome, just freaking awesome. And these tree trunks in the foreground, when I saw them the first time, I thought I had a photo, but I wasn't sure. But now that I came and I started taking photos, freaking awesome, man. Freaking awesome. Now the sun is gone. I literally have only the orange glow that's left over there. So from here I have this beautiful orange glow of the sky, and I have two subjects that I can place in my photo. this lone pole over here on the right side of the frame, and then the lower pole that's next to the taller one. So I'm going to take a photo with those two, just those two in the frame. I'm going to zoom in until I get just those two in the photo, and I think it's going to be a good photo. Look at the colors on that side too. See how pinkish the sky becomes? And those scattered clouds over there, freaking awesome. This is why I love sunsets, man. In conjunction with these clouds on top. I'm gonna hop on this bench here, standing on it, and I'm gonna try to shoot those clouds over there. Okay, that's all for me for today. There's not much else I can do here. The sky, it is putting on a show until the last second. I'm just gonna stick it out for a couple more photos because look at those colors. That orange with the cyan kinda, huh? Never seen anything like it, I think. So a couple more photos and I'll be done. Hope you liked the video. Check out the document in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Peace.